So here we have one of our top selling floor plans, the Holden. It will be a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. We'll have an office down and then a nice loft area upstairs as well. So as you come in through the front door, you'll have your office. Again, we call it a flex space. It can be used either as a formal dining area, as you have a walk-through going into the kitchen to the Butler pantry here. Some people will use it as like a workout area, prayer room, so however you choose. So again, walking through the Butler pantry makes a nice coffee station here. Big walk-in pantry. Coming into the kitchen. This is also color scheme 1 with white cabinets. We've now gone to the farm sink. Here we have an optional refrigerator. I should mention, we do offer 5 options in this home, refrigerator being one of them. Also, the screen enclosure that you see here would be option number 2. Blinds for all of the windows, option number 3. And then upstairs, you'll have the washer dryer. So again, we do offer 5 options. So downstairs, bedroom, makes a nice guest bedroom. And this is gonna be roughly 12 by 11. Then you'll have your bathroom. This door is gonna go into the 2-car garage. Your garage door opener does tie to your IQ panel, which ties to your phone. So this is a smart home package. Now here you have kind of like a mini mudroom. A lot of people will use this as like a shoe drop area or hang backpacks on the wall, put up some pegboard. And then your downstairs guest bedroom or bathroom. Going with some little bit nicer fixtures as well. So looking back into the kitchen, we do have understairs storage. I call this the Florida basement. One nice thing about the Holden is you do have a landing instead of just a straight shot upstairs. And then at the top of the stairs will be a large loft area. This space is roughly 19 by 17. Makes a great, either a kid's area, let them wreak havoc up here and keep downstairs somewhat normal, game room, whatever, closet for storage. And then this whole side of the home coming through the double doors is the master bedroom. Have a sitting area here. And then bathroom. Split vanities, which is nice. Garden tub. And then again, we've gone to some new fixtures, plumbing fixtures. And what's unique about this also is you have a huge walk-in closet. So no hers and hers here. This is just a hers, but really large closet. And then it goes into the laundry. So again, washer dryer would be an option. And then you can walk through to the other side. Now the secondary bedrooms are extremely large. This is bedroom number 2, and it's pretty much 14 by 18. And then you've got a walk-in closet here. And then you will have a hall bath here. Again, dual sinks. And then separate private water closet and shower. And then bedroom number 3. This is roughly 16 by 11. And again, you'll have nice closet. So again, this is the Holden, one of our top sellers, right at $150 a foot. Can't touch it in Gainesville.